Falling asleep these days has been so tough, got a lot on my mind and a lot of anxiety and worries, but it's been a little bit easier with my stunning Incents Waterfall. And the unique backflow design really beautifully defies the law of physics. Plus it comes with 100 free cones that are made from essential oils from all natural ingredients. Right now I'm incorporating the lavender scent into my routine before bed. I love that the scent makes me feel calmer and so much more peaceful before I go to sleep.